Hello, I am the Eco Clean Queen and welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn 5 shower cleaning hacks. Step number 1, look up. There may be cobwebs, maybe there's a window in your shower, maybe there's some mold growing. Make sure you clean up because then you don't want to clean the whole shower and then realize you forgot the top and then all of the dirt comes down on the work you just did.
Now it looks like I have mold. I tested in small areas with some baking soda and water and it would not come up. So I think it's just an imperfection in the paint, and so you might need to repaint your ceiling if that's the case. And it helps if you remove all of the shampoos and conditioners and soaps and all that stuff from the shower so you have an empty surface to clean.
Here are some tools you might need. Gloves, a grout brush, or you can use a toothbrush, a pipe cleaner if you have those sliding glass doors, Quad Zero steel wool pad, baking soda. This is a repurposed spray bottle for Castile soap and water, and apple cider vinegar.
What I'm doing here is removing any gunk or sawdust or paint or anything from the top lining of the shower.
So the next step is using the Quad Zero steel wool pad to remove any watermarks from the chrome. So these are made of chrome and this is made of chrome as well.
I find the Quad Zero steel wool pad works best when the surface is dry. So try to clean the chrome and the glass shower doors when it's dry first to see if that works better for you.
Okay, so some tips about using this. Only cut off the amount that you'll be using. So I'll just cut off about this amount. And the reason for that is because when it gets wet, once it dries, it'll rust. So just use the amount that you'll need and then you can go ahead and throw it in the compost.
When you're done removing the watermarks, use a dry clean rag to buff dry. You can use a toothbrush to grab those corners.
Okay, the next step is clean the grout. I'm simply using water and baking soda and my toothbrush.
If the toothbrush isn't quite working out for you, you can use the Grout brush, and I love it because I can put my fingers through it. I have a secure hold, and it also has a brush angle, so I can get the hard to reach places in the corners of the shower. This Grout brush I'm using is plastic, but I've had it for a very long time, so I'll just use what I have. However, I have found an angled Grout brush online that is made of bamboo and recycled plastic, so I will put the link in the description box below for you.
The next step is scrub the entire shower and then rinse. You can use Castile soap and water. You can also use a sponge of your choice.
I ran out of sponges, so I'm using a brush. However, I have found that loofahs are completely eco-friendly and you can use them as sponges.
If you have one of those extended shower heads, those are super easy to rinse the entire shower. I don't have one here, so I'm going to use a cup of water and simply just throw the water over the entire shower to rinse everything. Go ahead and clean the bottom grout of the floor, and you can remove any hair that might be stuck in the drain.
You can also use the pipe cleaner to remove any hair from the drain.
The last step is dry the entire shower. I like using these surgical rags. Depends what kind of rag you want to use, but just start from the top, work your way from left to right or right to left all the way down, and then the last part should be the bottom of the shower.
If you have a squeegee, use it to remove all of the water from the walls and the floor and put it all down the drain so that you don't have to use as many rags to dry. If you have glass shower doors, you can use apple cider vinegar to wipe everything. There you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and you can hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also tap the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also comment below if you have any suggestions for other cleaning videos.